Let's learn some interesting facts about Sun. There wouldn't be any life without Sun. Sun causes seasons. Sun is the cause of currents in oceans. And change in weather and climate. Sun's gravity holds planets. Simply, Sun's gravity holds and makes solar system around the orbit. It makes solar system in orbit. Sun made up of two main gases, helium and hydrogen. It is made up of 91% of hydrogen, 8.9% helium and 0.1% other metals by volume. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel. Sunlight reach our Earth in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Light travels 151,330,000 kilometers to reach Earth. Sun is 110 times larger than Earth. Now imagine how big the Sun is. We could fit 1 million Earths inside the Sun. Sunlight is originated from the process called nuclear fusion. In this process, deuterium and tritium combine to form helium. In this process, some of the mass of hydrogen atoms converted into energy in the form of light. The distance between Sun and Earth is called astronomical unit. 151,330,000 kilometers, or 1 astronomical unit. There are also darker areas on the surface of the Sun. They appear darker because of their colder temperature of 3000 degrees Fahrenheit. Do you like my explanation? Comment below. The temperature is 5600 degrees Celsius at the surface of the Sun. The name of the Sun comes from the Latin word sol.